Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about how to add links and images to your HTML file. So let us start. Let me give it title to be as links and images, right? And inside this body element, I'll add one h1 tag to be as heading 1 and save this document. So we are getting heading 1. Now for adding links we use anchor tag. Okay, so shortcut for writing this is press A and then press tab key, so you will be getting this. So firstly we'll talk about href. So href is place where you will write the link, the place. For example, https google.com, right? So this is the link, and for that I can give any name, for example Google, and I'll save this. So this name is from over here, and if I write my name only like Japneet, right, and save this, so I'll be getting Japneet, right? So I'll be just taking Google only. Now whenever I click this link, I'm going to Google, but I want that whenever I click this link, it should be opened in a new tab. For that, we'll be using target equal to, inside this I'll write blank. Using this thing, using this attribute, we can go to next tab. Means whenever we'll press this link, we'll press this Google, right? It will open up in the new tab. So refresh this file and let us click. So I clicked it, so I'm getting in new tab, right? Now let us talk about how to add images to your WhatsApp. For example, shortcut way to write this is to img and then press tab key. After pressing tab key, you will be getting source and alt. We'll talk about alt later on, but firstly let us talk about source. In this you will be writing from where that you are getting that image. If I have that in the folder, like I'm having index.jpg, I'll write index.jpg, but actually I'm not having that, so I'll just use one website for getting one image. I most probably use this website only, and inside it I'll write valley. So I'll take one valley image. This one is good. I'll copy image address and paste it in the source. So let us go over here and save this document. So we are getting this image, right? Now we talked about source. Let us talk about this alt. What is this alt? So alt actually means the description of your image. If a person, like who is blind, who can't see this website, uses some tools, that tools, what actually those tools do, those tools read the content that is in the website. So we'll write this in, this is the image of val, right? So whenever that blind person is using this tool, using that tool, right? So whenever it comes to that image, it is used for making responsive websites mostly. So everyone can access your website. You must write this alt, means this is the description of your website image, right? So this was your description of this website. And if you want to see that is this heading 1 h1 only, you can go and inspect this, and this is elements. Inside elements you can get this HTML, right? So Let me make it full. Yeah, we are getting this. At the right side you can get that. So inside head we are having title, meta tag some, and inside body we are having one heading 1 and having image whose description is this is image of value, right? So whenever I'm clicking on it, I'm getting, if I clicked on it, right? So this is the content, that how much space that content is taking. So this picture is 500 by 281, and if I take h1, so it is 914 into 37. And if I make it more bigger, it will be 1103 into 37, right? So this was for today. I hope you liked the video.